The most confused set of people, but our people when they have been in River State, Delta State. Some of them, na talk ayo fabrika ayo before for yokuta na fabu ndi Igbo. You have a grown-up man. Enjoy what is your name? Or say my name is Ebuka. My name is Chinonso. My name is Okeke. You will just say where are you from? Or say you are from Delta. You will say also you are an Igbo person or say no. What kind of confusion is this? You will just say your village. What is the former market days? Sigino Eke, Sigino Afo, Sigino Anko, Sigino Ori. Manastie, Okoto na hapo nyigo. Kapi kwa tutoku. Watch channel video na kono ofo. Iye Evangelist Ebuka Obi na one Nollywood actor Kulubasalo. This kind of people. Watch on the video.
Before the war, when you go to Port Harcourt, let me take Port Harcourt as an example. You have Umokuru, Umobase. Umo. But immediately after the war, they now changed the name from Umo to Rumo because they had issues that they were unable to settle during the war with the Igbos. They felt that they were cheated in the course of the war. They now decided to make little amendment. But from my own side, which is in Ndone, we remain Igbo and we bear the name. And when you come to our tradition, Ibian and Ndone, Aina Piamau, Kande, Anambra, Imo, we have our masquerade. And in our culture, the masquerade depicts our ancestral being. They use it to make laws in those days. And these are, if you are not from Igbo land, how do you have that masquerade? Now, I have two names that are Igbo names. Ikechukwu, Afamefuna. Now, if you have that name, that traditional name, and you stand to say you are not an Igbo man, it tells you are not telling yourself the truth. Now, when you go to Ndone, typical example, we have Peter Odili. He was the former governor of River State. Okay. We have Chief Victor Ifeanyi Chukwu Enebeli. Odili, sorry. He is the owner of a Brawa shipping line. So we identify ourselves as Igbos. I stand to say I am an Igbo man. I'm Igbo. You know, to me, it's the right time for we to begin to tell ourselves the truth. You know, the most shameful thing on earth would be somebody trying to deny his ancestors because of whatever being the benefits anyone wants to have tomorrow. You know, I was not there during the war. Most of these places today that are, like if you go to Delta North today, there's someone from Asaba, Ibuso, Obashuku, Oboluku, Isteluku. These are Igbo communities. You see, they are giving their children Fulanya, Chibi, yes, Ebuka, you know, exactly the culture. They believe in it for Igbo market days. Okay? Of course, Oye, Afo, Nko. You know, when somebody believes in Igbo for market days, the same way the 5 states believe, the masquerade is the same way. Like in Delta North, the name of their king is Obi. Obi of this. Obi is not Yoruba name. Obi is not Hausa name. No. Obi is not Benin name. It is not a Urobo name. It's not a Urobo name. Not a John name. Not a John name. Not a Fik name. It's not a Fik name. Yes. Obi is Igbo name. Like me now talking, my surname is Obi. So, you know, some of them in Delta North, some of them, few of them says, we come from Benin. If you come from Benin, why are you not answering Benin name? Why are you answering Igbo name? I would say I'm very proud of him because being a River State man mentioning his name, Igbo name, and he's also speaking Igbo. I'm hearing him, he's hearing me. It's a shameful thing for someone to deny his ancestors just because of benefit. I heard that after the war, some people from that riverine area, they tried to change their identity in order to be favored by the federal government. You know, after the war, there was this Igbo people are somehow segregated. So for you to fit in the country that time, you have to deny whom you are.
To be able to get a benefit.
So to be able to get a benefit. And
Mana can draw that benefit I need here now. With the benefit.
Where is it now? Even here divide and rule. Now, if you check, how many of them were all you well?
A drum na konyenga.
Okay.